Hello and welcome to this training on working with Git. We are from SCM team, and in this tutorial we are basically going to help you to understand the basic ways of working in Git. Now the objective of this training, it is the objective is to get you familiar with the basic concepts of Git and then make you competent enough so that you can use Git in your day-to-day work activities. Now this is our first module, and in this module we are basically going to cover an introduction to Git. So it includes what is Git and how does it work, and second it tells you what are the advantages of Git. Third thing, it includes what are the components of the Git dev environment. So what is Git? Git is basically a distributed version control system which was designed by the Linus Torvalds for the Linux kernel development in 2005. The main goal for its design was for speed and efficiency. Now, what are the features of Git? Git supports the Linux, Unix, and the Windows platform. Second, it supports the branching and merging concepts. Third, it's compatible with Hudson and Eclipse. Fourth, it supports large case development with adequate functionality. Fifth, it's easy to configure, but it's still very powerful. Sixth is it supports a functionality called hooks, which can be used to control the actions. Third, second last is it supports the labeling concept by what we call as a tag. Last is it can be integrated with many third-party tools like Garrett. Now, what are the advantages of Git? First, the main advantage is that it empowers you to make commits anytime, anywhere, when you feel like, even if you are not connected to the network. Second is it has a cheap branching and merging, so you can create branches and take a merge on the fly. Third is superior disk utilization and good network performance. It is because it stores all its objects in the compressed format. Next topic is why is Git called a distributed version control system? Now, what is a distributed version control system? It's basically a decentralized version control system in which many developers can work on the same repository at a time and do their commits. Now, last is what are the components of the Git dev environment? There is a main repository, and we can have a number of clones. I have one clone on Unix, which is used by one designer, and I have a clone on Windows, which is used by a second designer. So they can both can work independently without any interference by any of the two. So this concludes our first module. Thank you for your listening. Hope to see you soon for the next module.